Oh man, that's a good fish. Look at that, he messed it up. That is awesome. That's another good fish. Oh my god. That's...
Crankbait. Barely hooked. Grab that son.
Oh my gosh. That is a ginormous bass. Look how big that thing is.
Look how skinny. Measure him on that rule real quick.
Oh my god. You've got two. Whoa. Oh my god. He's 19 inches.
See how skinny he is?
Hold on.
On the wrong bait, dude.
Let me get you real quick. That is sweet. Here you go. Alright, I got you. Oh my god, that was sweet. That was awesome. On a crankbait too. Wasn't that crawfish? Crawfish looking crankbait. God, that's a good one.
Oh my god, dude. Monster.
Holy crap.
Stick your fist in his mouth.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck it, man. Holy smoke.
God, how big is that?
That's a big fish.
Look at that fish.
Probably 5 pounds.
Oh my.
I think he's probably like 6 pounds.
Here,
Big
measure him.
Measure him. You gotta get my picture with him.
Oh, I will, don't worry.
Holy smoke, dude.
Look at that.
Crankbait hook.
Look at
right
that.
now.
Oh my god, that one's probably
2 feet.
Well, measure 18, 19, 20, probably about 20.
22 inches.
22. Whoa, take my picture with him.
Oh god, I almost fell. Oh my gosh.
It's so weird, like it's, what is it?
Wow.
I don't even know.
Wow. That is a monster. Whoo! Wow. That was sweet. Okay, so you're hung your trolling motor. You got one hung here, and you just got like a 6-pound bass.
Well, that crankbait got hung.
There's one. There we go.
Are they eating something over there?
Yeah. Eating bait. Hey, do we have pliers?
Yeah.
I need them.
That hand and red handle thing right here, Robbie. In that round thing. Second one red. Yeah.
I think they are.
It's a pretty good